Hey yo, what's going on guys? I'm the Econ Boss, and in today's video I'm gonna take a subscriber store from $0 to $10,000 a day. You guys gotta stay excited here. You gotta watch the whole video through because it's gonna be the most valuable content on dropshipping and YouTube in general. I promise it's gonna be better than all of the other things you see all the time. So what I've done in this video is that I'm gonna go step by step through the whole process of building a store from $0 to $10,000. We're gonna go over absolutely everything with Facebook ads, and all I can say right now is that we have a 40 ROAS. That's all I'm gonna spoil to you guys, with a lot of purchases as well in that one. We've been testing the product for 8 hours. We're already pulling in like a lot of sales and a really insane ROAS. Gonna start scaling it tonight. So I'm gonna edit the ad set so you guys can see exactly how me and Eric here, he's also gonna come on. He's the lucky subscriber that I'll take his store to 10k a day, because I was choosing one random subscriber, Eric one. I'm gonna run his store to 10k a day with him, so you guys will hear a lot from him as well. But now we're gonna edit the ad set. We're gonna look inside the ad set, see exactly how we set it up, which feeds we're using, purchase, conversion events. Also gonna show you guys like how we pick the interest, stuff like that, how we scale, how we increase budget. You guys gonna see absolutely everything. This is like me sort of coaching you guys online without you actually paying for my coaching program. So guys, this is step-by-step process. You will learn everything you need to know about dropshipping. You gotta watch this series. This has to blow up on YouTube because it's the most valuable thing I've ever done. Guys, just imagine the life of one of my subscribers that I randomly choose. We're gonna change his life completely over the next couple of weeks. This is gonna be a mini series on the channel. I'm gonna drop a couple of episodes and it's gonna be completely insane. You guys gotta watch. This is the best thing I've ever done, and it's really nice of me, of course, helping out this guy. So I'm gonna change his life live for you guys to watch, and you guys can learn everything you will need to know. The last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is going to be Roaster. You can message me. My Instagram will be here. I have one spot left in the coaching, even though I'm sort of guys going to coach you guys online in this series. One spot left in the coaching. If you're serious, you could send me a message. It's going to be a qualification for that. Without further ado, let's meet Eric. Let's get into it, see how he's going, and let's just kill it. It's going to be the best series ever. Okay, guys, so it's time to meet Eric. Yo, Eric, what's up? Tell us a little bit about you.
What is up, boss? So I live in California. I'm 25 and I'm from Chicago. And before I found Boss's YouTube channel, I was actually a health insurance agent, actually, believe it or not. By the way, this is the best channel on YouTube for dropshipping. And I was a miserable 9-to-5 type job, not making money, barely making ends meet. And I wanted dropshipping because I could live that independent, free lifestyle.
Yeah, that's a damn cool thing. And Eric, tell me a little bit like what's been your struggles earlier, because before you got this chance, I'm gonna take your store from 0 to 10k. What's been your problems here with dropshipping? Any Facebook stuff, or what's the deal?
Yeah. Thanks, boss. And I feel like in general, it's been structure too. I really kind of went into it just watching other YouTube videos, just trying to figure out what works best. Didn't really know, money was being hemorrhaged in lots of ways because I didn't really understand how to balance and do this kind of stuff. I had payment issues, Facebook ads. I ran terribly stacked interest, boss. I'm sure you right away saw a bunch of problems with that stuff from the very beginning.
Yeah, and you guys know that's how it is. It's kind of hard starting out. Most of you guys won't be blessed enough to get this is just a lucky subscriber. I'm gonna run his store to 10k. Yeah. But if you guys want to know how to learn how to dropship, you gotta watch this whole video. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. So Eric, should we just get straight into it and show them?
Yeah, so you guys pay attention. There's going to be some massive value dropped here.
Let's go. Okay, guys, so this story's only been running for 8 hours. These are the numbers today. 3 orders, $100, pretty good. Someone's checking out right now, hopefully. But now, I'm going to show you guys the ads real quick. This is what's up, guys. You gotta see the ROAS here. ROAS is 25 or 24.46. That's an insane ROAS to begin with. This is the interest. It's killing it. Only been running for 8 hours. And you guys can see when you look at the budget here, guys, you can see it's set to run a $10 day. This is just a normal test. Eric got a pure new pixel. Everything is new. There's no good, he doesn't have any benefits here. We're starting completely from scratch. So we just tested a product that we found to be really good, running for $10 a day, 7 ad sets, basic testing strategy. I'm gonna edit it real soon so you guys can see inside of it. And one of them happened to generate 4 purchases at a $1 cost per purchase, and the ROAS is 25, which is fucking insane. You can agree.
The king of ROAS.
The king of ROAS, that's the econ boss. And here you guys can see another one. We'd have 1 purchase and the ROAS is 5. So we're totally chilling. So what we do, guys, in each interest, I'll show you guys one of the interests here. So this one is preventive healthcare. It's the only interest I'm going to spoil for you guys because we don't want to mess up the series, right? So we put 2 ad sets under it. You guys can clearly see that. And that's how we always do. When you test product, put 2 different ads under it. It's gonna make it way simpler. You have more shots, sort of. So what you guys will see, I'm gonna show you guys how Facebook optimizes everything. Let's hit this interest real quick that generates 4 sales with an insane ROAS. And here you guys can see the perfect example of Facebook optimizing. This one has 4 sales, which means that Facebook is gonna stop spending money on the other one, and it's gonna stop reaching people on the other one. You can see it's barely spent any dollars because Facebook figured out that this is actually the best ad set, so they just stopped delivering the other one. This is the beauty of on Facebook, guys. They optimize everything. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this ad set really quick, and you guys gonna see exactly how we test products. So first of all, let's just do the preventive healthcare. You guys already know what's up. Okay, guys, so this is how we always test the product. First of all, the interest is the name of the ad set. Second of all, don't worry about scaling now. I'm going to talk to you guys about scaling here in a bit. And tomorrow's episode is going to be scaling only. But second of all, don't focus on scaling. Third one, this is how we test the product. Fourth one, use purchase as the event. You don't want to do added cards or anything, because at the end of the day, the thing that you want is purchases. Hopefully I don't scream, rip headphones users. If I do, that's fine. The daily budget is $10 a day, and you know, we don't do it real scarcely when we test, we schedule later on when we scale. So here is the thing, we go worldwide. Guys, you gotta take a screenshot here of the countries right now, because I'm going to continue. These are all the countries that I always exclude when going worldwide, because worldwide is the wave, it's cheaper traffic, and you guys will see a lot of countries you would miss out on if you only run e-packet. So the ages, we'll leave it broad, we'll leave same with the genders, we'll leave it all the same. 18 to 65, all genders, we're gonna do women, we're gonna do men, and when it comes to the interest, we do one interest, and for this instance, it was preventive health care. Always leave detailed targeting expansion on while testing, but once you duplicate your ad set and increase the budget, it's time to turn it off. Comes later on in the scaling phase. When it comes to the placements, we do Facebook newsfeed and Instagram newsfeed only. All the other ones sucks when you test, honestly, or don't suck, but I wouldn't recommend that when testing. These ones are usually what generates a sale. And excuse my headphones, looks kind of weird, it's a gaming headset, but it's definitely good sounding, so I love them, that's why I use them. And I gotta be able to hear Eric here, and I guess he's kind of excited for us to just kill it.
Oh, dude, I'm ecstatic, dude. Boss, I've been dancing all night.
I'm pretty confident you have done that. I don't doubt you at all. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you guys the store now in a second. First of all, I'm just going to show you guys what we would do if we're going to scale this one. So this one has a $1 cost per purchase and a $25 ROAS. And 25 ROAS. What I would do if I were to scale this one, well, first of all, we can't scale it now because it haven't even spent the daily budget. That's only been running for 8 hours, which is ridiculous. It's kind of insane how we made all of these sales so early on in the process, but it just shows that I'm pretty good at the ROAS and good at making sales. We choose right interest. I chose the product. That's just what's up. That's how we do it. Just spend $5. The second it reaches $10, you most likely will have more purchases. But once this ad has reached $10, we're going to duplicate it and increase the budget. Why, you might ask? That's because it has more than 3 purchases. If you have more than 3 purchases, duplicate and increase the budget, but never duplicate stuff before it's even reached the daily budget. And that's how we plan on scaling. Tomorrow's video is going to be solely based on only scaling, nothing else. We're only going to scale. It's going to be really awesome, and you guys definitely look forward. You're going to learn everything about scaling. Take this to heart. Make sure you follow this series because it's going to be the best one on YouTube. Right now, my goal is to drop the best content on YouTube that you don't have to pay for. I mean, you might not even need a coach when you watch this series. It's going to be fucking insane. So I'll show you guys the store real quick. Guys, this is the store making all the sales, so I'm kind of weird because it doesn't look that good. I mean, Eric, yes, the colors are good, but you could probably agree that it's not the most insane store you've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I
But
don't
we
take
make...
part,
yeah, exactly. But we make a lot of sales with it. It's just a simple general store. Show you guys a little bit. Here we got a couple of, I don't know why it's like a fake Versace thing here, but that's all good. This is the store. We have a slideshow here. Here are the categories. We have electronics. We have 4 products on each row, so it looks clean. And for example, this is how we make a product description. Definitely looks kind of cool, I'd say. Okay, guys, we have 2 people checking out now. Kind of cool. Let's get back into the store. So this is how we make descriptions. We sort of like steal other stuff, but then we combine multiple stores. So we might steal content from 5 different stores and then combine it into our own. Obviously, tweak it a little bit, make our own description, kind of. Like, for example, this one Eric made here. Nothing like that. And this one is a really good description. Don't do this product, though. You're not going to jump on the trend. This is not the product we run either. But that's just how it is. This is how all our collections look. Home and bath. Kind of a weird one, but it looks damn clean anyway. And then we got the contact us page, and I'll show you guys the refund policy real quick. Here we got this one. You don't have to read it, that's not really that important, but that's basically how we do it, guys. Kind of cool. So we're gonna take every store from $0 to $10,000 a day, which is, it's a blessing for him. It's a golden chance, but he definitely deserves it. Awesome guy, and I think we're actually gonna be able to do it with him.
Get that purchase, dog. Yes, I am so excited, boss. But boss, one question. What recommendations would you have to a new dropshipper, kind of who was like me, who spent maybe a K or 2 with no results, just because I was in that same boat and thought about quitting, and I know how hard it can be in the feeling.
If you spent $1,000 on ads without any results, you probably don't know what you're doing. It's probably time to get a coach. If we're gonna be completely honest here, yeah, it might cost some money, or pay someone to help you out, or get it for free. I don't care. But I believe, guys, you don't even need a coach anymore, because you can watch this series through. We're gonna scale everything. Next episode is gonna be about scaling. You guys will see everything through. It's gonna be the best series on YouTube ever. You guys gonna learn everything. Just make sure you watch every video. This is just the introduction video. There's no strategy. It's just introduction. Anyways, to a new dropshipper, get get help. Pay someone, or if you're really lucky and blessed like Eric, get someone to take your store to 10K a day randomly. Or if not, yeah, don't give up, just like he said. Second one is learn how to write high converting descriptions. Learn how a good description looks, like the layout of it. I just showed you guys. Number 3, you gotta know how to find good price. Don't do saturated shit. You're not gonna be able to compete with the big guys. So do more sort of like untapped price. Perfect range is like $500 to like a couple of thousand. And then also know your Facebook guys. Know your point dropshipping. You don't even know how to run your ads. Rather just get a strategy and learn it.
Exactly. One thing you showed me, boss, too, is those non-saturated products. They have a lot of interest and they spark a lot of like, you know, engagement because they haven't been seen as much before.
Exactly. That's the thing. The engagement on like not too saturated probably goes up a lot because it's like, wow, people be like, wow, I've never seen this shit before. Like, I want to try it out.
So you guys have to stay tuned tomorrow and see what happens.
Yeah, so because tomorrow video is going to be about scaling. I'm going to take you guys inside of this awesome ads manager here, and we're going to scale these ads. Take them, narrow everything down. Not narrow, but we're going to duplicate, increase budgets. Soon we're going to get into CBOs. You guys will get walk through everything. So make sure you stay tuned. Eric here, we're going to kill it. Going to reach 10K pretty soon, hopefully. Test is successful so far. We only run the ads for 8 hours, so it's looking pretty promising.
I'm going to say, I was telling you guys, make sure you stay tuned. You will not find a detailed scaling video like this anywhere else on YouTube.
100%,
I guarantee.
100%. And anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you smash the like button and that you do subscribe so my smile goes a little bit up. Guys, subscribe. We're closing in 1,000 subs. I really want to hit it. Would be the dream for me. And guys, this is going to be the most. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want you guys to know that you got to keep watching this series. We're going to scale shit live for you in your own face. We're going to scale this shit. You guys will see everything you'll need to know. So that's going to be it for today's video. Catch you guys later. Hope you guys liked Eric, like the stuff we're doing, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.